Hello everyone, I am NB from Class of Python. In this video, we are going to learn about functions in C language. Before going to explain about functions, I want all of you to think about what functions are and why do we need them. Answer this question in the comment section. Without getting late, let's get started. A function is a block of code or group of statements that performs a single specific task. In general, there are two types of functions. They are built-in functions, user-defined functions. The functions which are already available in libraries or packages are called built-in functions. For example, printf, scanf, square root, etc. You can also create functions as per your need. And the functions that are written by user are known as user-defined functions. For example, is leap year function which you created to check whether a year is leap year or not, or is prime function to check whether a number is prime or not. As we classified functions, it's time to create our own functions. A function consists of the function's name, return type, and parameters. We will see about all these things in a few minutes. But meanwhile, I want you to remember the prime number program that you wrote in your C language lab. I hope this is almost the same as the program that you wrote. Now we are going to write the same program using functions. For that, we need to write a function called isPrime. So the purpose of this function is to check whether the given number is prime or not. This program produces the same result as the previous one, but the basic difference is that we used functions. Let's take a closer look at this isPrime function. Did you remember the three things that I said I will explain in a few minutes? If you clearly observe this function, we can see all those three things. The function name is isPrime and the return type is integer. The parameters are a single integer. By the way, if you're enjoying this video, a sub to the channel would be wonderful. What is return type? A function may return a value. The return type is the data type of the value the function returns. Some functions perform the desired operations without returning a value. In that case, the return type is the keyword void. What are parameters? A parameter is like a placeholder. When a function is invoked, you pass a value to the parameter. This value is referred to as an actual parameter or argument. The parameter list refers to the type, order, and number of parameters of a function. Parameters are optional. That is, a function may contain no parameters. Here the parameter is integer n. To use a function, you will have to call the function to perform the defined task. When a program calls a function, the program control is transferred to the called function. A called function performs a defined task, and when its return statement is executed or when its function ending closing brace is reached, it returns the program control back to the main program. What are the advantages of functions? The program will be easier to understand, maintain, and debug. Reusable codes that can be used in other programs. A large program can be divided into smaller modules, hence a large project can be divided among many programmers. If you like this video, hit that like button and share with your friends. And if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.